Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we will be studying how to install the Data Analysis Toolpak that is used to perform statistical operations in Excel. So the first step to do so is to click on the file options, and when you do so, a list of other options will come up. Now at the bottom, click on the Options tab, and when you do so, you will get a menu bar or of the Excel options. Now in this Excel options that you see, you have to go down till the add-ins options and click on it. Now when you click on the add-ins option, you will see at the bottom a manage section where it is written Excel add-ins. So Excel add-ins should be chosen and you must click on go. Now when you click on go, you will see another dialog box opens up, and in this dialog box you have to select the first option, which is the Analysis Toolpak, and click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you need to go to the Data tab in your Excel, and there you need to click on it and scroll to the extreme right, and you'll see the Data Analysis tab here in the Analysis section. Now when you click on this data analysis, you will get a list of data analysis options on your screen. So if you can see all those options, your data analysis toolpak has been installed correctly. Okay, so this was all about installing the data analysis toolpak in the analysis sections of the data tab in Excel. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.